Alright, it finally quit raining and we're out along the river bottom out near Devon, Alberta, riding our bikes around. And well, I think we're gonna go post-COVID here soon, so it'd be nice to get that ordeal over with. Anyways, enjoy the ride. There's some bike parks right up here. I'll stop and show you the river here. It's really high from all the rain. We were down here a few weeks ago and you could see the shoreline in there really good. Where's Dog? Dog! Conchita! Hey! Menso! Or Mensa! So here's the bike jump. Little bike track. You guys are jumping up there. There's lots of mosquitoes down here. Anyways, we're gonna go to the next one. Sure. Is that wait? Oh, okay. Go this way, Casey.
Is this dead end?
Dead end. It means you can't get through. Oh, it's really bright. We are on our way back. I think we rode for a couple of kilometers, I think. It's amazing, nice night, no wind. Bugs are starting to come out though. That would be pretty. Go, Casey! I almost crashed into you.
And what happens if you step in here? Dad.
It's cold. You can step in it. Put your feet in it. It's probably nice and cold. Ooh, feels good. Is it cold? Feels good though, doesn't it? They're bringing the sketch boat down. Where do you think she's going? Conchita, where are you going? Nice view there. Alright, anyways, we're gonna get going.